Okay, wow, so the most heroic thing just happened. It was terrifying. Taped a little bit. Lake's frozen over. That dog over there is going for a walk. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
The dog's in the water. Rosie, stay here.
Rosie, come here.
No, don't go in, don't go in. Yeah, but the kids get out. So I have to go in.
Tessa!
Puppies, come here.
Come here, come here, puppy. Tessa! Tessa! Oh my god, Tessa.
Come on, too fast, say it.
Good girl, Tessa.
You don't give up. Be careful, be careful.
No.
Come on, pup. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. She rescued it and brought it back. They're in a house now just around the corner, Trout Lake. She's with paramedics. Somebody brought her into their house and put her in a hot bath, I think, pretty quickly. I've never seen anything like that before. It's Mari's birthday today, so happy birthday, honey. Saw somebody save a dog.